Whether you're preparing for your first job, a career change, or facing tough technical questions, this AI assistant can boost your confidence and help you perform at your best. Lovable, Replit, and Bolt all promise speed, but they approach it in different ways. Lovable is a newer AI-powered development tool that focuses on generating entire production-ready apps from natural language prompts. You describe the product you want, and Lovable's AI creates the codebase, sets up hosting, and even integrates with common APIs. It's heavily opinionated, meaning you trade some customization for a faster start. This makes it great for MVPs, hackathons, or rapid client prototypes. However, because it's more of a one-shot builder, making big structural changes after generation can sometimes feel like working against the AI's assumptions. Replit, by contrast, is a full online coding environment that supports dozens of languages. It's known for its always available cloud workspaces, multiplayer coding, and integrated AI assistant called Ghostwriter. With Replit, you can start from scratch, fork existing projects, or use AI to scaffold code, but you remain in full control of the project structure. It's more flexible than Lovable, but requires more manual coding. Its instant hosting, package management, and collaboration features make it great for both solo developers and teams. Bolt, on the other hand, takes a slightly different approach. It's an AI-native IDE that blends the speed of code generation with a persistent, editable workspace. You can generate features, refine them, and iteratively improve your app without leaving the environment. Bolt emphasizes an ongoing conversation with your code. Instead of a one-off generation like Lovable, it's more like having a coding partner that sticks around for the whole build process. It supports full-stack development, live previews, and integrated deployments, making it feel like a hybrid between Lovable's instant output and Replit's manual flexibility. When comparing the three, Lovable is best if you need a quick, complete app with minimal effort and you're okay with some rigidity. Replit is best if you want maximum flexibility, multi-language support, and real-time collaboration, but don't mind writing more code yourself. Bolt is best if you want iterative AI-assisted development in a single environment, balancing automation with control. All three lower the barrier to launching projects, but your choice depends on whether you value instant results, total flexibility, or AI-powered iterative building.